Hey guys, so this is part 2 of my outro tutorial, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add backdrops to one sprite. Yes, it sounds really hard to do, but it's not really hard to do. It's just it doesn't sound possible, but it is. We can do that with the help of cloning. Now, cloning creates a clone of the thing that is being I can't explain it. I'm not really good at explaining. You guys might be wondering why I'm so shaky all the time. I'm actually filming this video on my bed, or at least on a bed. Okay. Okay, now it's time to start the coding of the actual process. Okay, so let's get another sprite. To make a backdrop, create any kind of backdrop you want. I'm gonna make it like a simple green backdrop. Copy paste. Okay, I'm gonna add some. I'm just gonna do a simple stripe pattern. Yeah, this part's kind of boring, but you can just so you know, you can make your backdrop look however you want. This is just a simple stripes pattern, and simpler right now. It's better. Okay, now that we got the backdrop, let's call it backdrop. Okay, so we're making a backdrop and a not backdrop. Okay, so first thing we need to do, okay, is over here. When I receive outro, create a switch, and now we need to switch costumes to both. And let's get a create clone of myself, put this over here, put this over here. Now, and then click hide. Now we need to swap this stuff out for a when I start as a clone, if we need to put a forever loop around this too, but I need to get 2 ifs and a forever. If costume equals to something. I need 2 of these, so I'm also gonna put one there. Phew. Let's go to costume number and costume number. So this costume number is 1 over here. This costume number is 2. So when costume number equals to 1, this costume number equals to 2. Go to front layer. This one goes to back layer. And just point one direction. And 90 in the direction. Okay, now let's check out our code. But we also need to do show over here. And let's start. Broadcast. Woohoo! Oh, it's a little loud. So, anyways, our thing is working good. Our backdrop is in the back, like it should be, and our little spinny thing is still working at the same time. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is the last of this really short series. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.